Hello, in the last video I explained for you how we can build from the scratch a Spring Boot project and how can I add some dependence, and now I will show another part in our project. So there is two parts, this part SRC main and the part SRC test. In the part SRC main there is two parts, main Java and main resource. So here in main Java, when can I do our programming, when can I add our class, create our class interface, and in the resource, I can to add the file for the configuration, for example, for connection with database. And this part SRC test. In this part, I can to do all the tests when I need for my application. So let's take a look for a class Java course application. So this is the class main or the starting point for our application. And I need to find a way to tell Spring that's this Spring application. So here I found this annotation Spring Boot application, and if I open this import, I find all the auto configure for Spring application. So this annotation tells Spring Boot that's the starting point for our Spring Rule application. After I need to tell to Spring start this application. So I call this static method. So I call this static method run in the Spring and put two arguments. The first one, the name of class application, Java course application, and the second argument is args. So now I need to run my application. So with this way, I do run as and run Spring Boot app. I see here in console the Spring. I see here the version of Spring, and my project is started. And here I see the server Tomcat because it's integrated in Spring Boot. And here we have the port for the Tomcat. So thanks, and I see you in the next video.